TikTok has a new avatar feature that's similar to Memoji or Bitmoji. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to create your own avatar on TikTok. Now let's get started. To create your own TikTok avatar, first make sure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest available version. Then open TikTok. Tap the plus sign at the bottom. Tap Effects. Then tap the search icon. Type in avatar. When you see it appear in the results, tap the avatar effect. Now you can use one of the pre-made avatar options or customize your own avatar however you like. To create your custom avatar, tap New. Then tap the avatar you want to start your design with. I'm going with the one that hasn't been customized at all. Now you can customize your avatar's skin tone, head shape, hairstyle and color, eyebrows, eyes and makeup, nose and piercings, mouth, ears and earrings, eyewear and headwear. Some of the editing categories have additional options if you tap Edit, where you can further customize that aspect of your avatar. When you're finished customizing your avatar, tap Done in the top right corner. Now you can use the avatar effect to create TikTok videos. It will cover your face and mimic your movements so it looks like the avatar is talking and moving just like you are. That's all it takes to create and use your own personalized TikTok avatar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.